I need y'all help. Y'all let me know what y'all think I need to do, because like I said, I want to get this done. But let me see if I can do this for y'all. So y'all see it lights up. So that's my power source wire. I turn the car on. See, they come on, but when I hit the brake, they go off, and they come back on when I release the brake. See, watch.
Hey, forgive me if I leave you, I'm just doing what my heart said. I'm not who I used to be no more, now I move cautious. I've been on my block like for so long that I feel bossed in. Homie on my block no more, but I let them know I can't change, yeah. I be in my head like high.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now, I've been trying to do this brake light, you know what I'm saying? Third brake light, I should say. Right here. That's gonna go at the top of my rear window. I've been trying to do this for a little minute now. Now, I know there's probably a different couple ways I can go about it. I've tried to wire it to the wires in the back, you feel me? I tried to wire it to the tail light in the back. And also, it's like a little wiring, some wires, you feel me, running down the side. In the trunk area, I was trying to wire it there too. None of it would work. So, I've seen one video where a dude wired it to his front brake pedal down here, but no videos show what wires to use, what wires to run it to, none of that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just finna really try to wing it, you know? So I hope y'all enjoy this video. We finna try and wire up a third brake light, and I'm gonna actually tell y'all, if I can get it figured out, I'm actually tell y'all what wires I wired it to. Now, this brake light comes with a bunch of wires where you could do sequential mode, you feel me, flashes, all that. I don't want that right as of right now. I don't. The only thing I really want to run right now is just the power. So I just want it to work when I hit my brake pedal. So that's all I'm gonna be running for now. And then later on, probably like during the summertime or something, we'll come back and we'll wire up the sequential mode, the turn signal mode, all that extra stuff. But for now, like I said, the only thing I want to wire up is the power. So all I will need, as I read by the instructions, is the red wire and the black wire, which is power and ground, you know what I'm saying? But when I get ready to do the sequential mode, the red wire is going to go to something else. So for now, like I said, I just want to do the brake light to where it just comes on with the brake. So that's all I want for now, and later on we will come back and do the rest of it, you know? But before we get started, man, y'all hit that like button, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way, y'all be notified every time I drop. And yeah, I love working on my box Chevy. I love doing like little things to it, you feel me? Doing some customizations, I could say, and throwing my own little touch in this car, because you feel me, box Chevy's always been my dream car to own, and I got one. So I want to do as much as I can to this car myself so I can learn, you know? So yeah, we finna, like I said, we finna try to get this done. I'm finna hook up the battery so I can test, because I got this little wire tester right here. So it'll tell me which one of these brake wires is the one for the power, because it's two wires. It's an orange one and a white one. I'm thinking it's the white one, but I don't know. But like I said, I seen a video, dude wired it, ran it all the way through his car to the front brake pedal. So we're gonna try and get that done and see what we can do. So like I said, I got a tester, and we're gonna test and see which wire is the power wire for the brake line. So hopefully this tester work, you know what I'm saying? But if not, then I guess we're gonna have to just wing it again. So let's get started. I'm gonna have to take some of the trim off, and I also need to measure this so I can make sure I get it directly in the center of my back window. So let's get started with this video. All right, y'all, so before I test that wire, I do want to go ahead and measure this to make sure they sent me the right length. I ordered a 40, so let's see if this is right. Like I said, I want to measure this first, just so I can, for one, mark the center. And yeah, it's actually like a 41. So let me try and get the center and do this math. Lost my phone. Where's my phone? All right, so let me do this math. 20.5, and I'm gonna use my black Sharpie and mark it on the black area. So 20 and a half. right there. So got the middle marked, and that's what I needed. And I'm also gonna put a small piece of tape here, my masking tape, which I'm also use to hold it up in the window before I go ahead and put everything down. Right there. Alright, so got that marked. Put my measuring tape up. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and test this wire. Then I'm gonna update y'all throughout the video and let y'all know which wires to actually use. But like I said, this one came with a bunch for sequential mode and stuff. But I'm only gonna be using the black and the red. So let's go ahead and get to work. All right, y'all. So don't make fun of how I'm looking right now. But when I tell you I've been struggling just to find a power source wire to run these stinking lights, bro. You feel me? Now, I just got back from Harbor Freight and I went and bought me a circuit tester. It was only like $5, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna need it regardless, so I got it. So I ended up grounding. I had to take this plate off, the steering wheel plate, which is right here. So I got it grounded down on one of them bolts because it was one of the best grounds I can get. And trying to test these wires to see which one is the power wire for my brake pedal, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you. I just tested it, so now I know, you know what I'm saying? So let me see if I can do this for y'all. So y'all see it lights up. So that's my power source wire. So that's what I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna wire it up, you know what I'm saying, and then ground it down in the back, and hopefully everything works out good like I think it is. So now what I'm finna do, well, to tell y'all too, if y'all trying to do this, so your brake pedal, if you look at the brake pedal, it got this black thing and this white thing. So when you press the brake, it releases them. So that's what makes your brake light come on. So I'm using this orange wire that's connected to this black thing. Y'all see the orange wire right here? It runs up here, so I just made a small little strip there to test it. So if y'all trying to do it, man, like I said, I done watched multiple videos to try to see how to do this, and nobody said what wires to use, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to let y'all know and tell y'all, so y'all be able to do it if y'all trying to learn, you know what I'm saying, just like I'm trying. So hopefully this works when I'm finished. If not, then I just did all this for nothing and bought a circuit tester. Well, I'm gonna need the circuit tester later on anyways, you never know. So yeah, like I said, I'm finna get ready now to unlock the back door and run my wire from up here all the way down to the front area up here. If y'all look through there, you can already see I got my speaker, my RC wire, RC cables ran all the way down already, or whatever they called. Y'all know my cables for my EQ. So I'm gonna run it all the way down up here behind that, and then I'm gonna run it up here to there, and then that's just gonna be the power wire. My ground wire, I'm gonna run it through the trunk area so I can ground it down in the trunk. So a lot to do, man. I could have finished this yesterday if I would have known, but I didn't have a circuit tester, so I wasn't able to go get it till today, you know what I'm saying? So now what I'm finna do, run my wire. So I'll come back to y'all once I finish running the wire, and hopefully everything works out well. I'm praying it do, you know what I'm saying? I'm praying it do. So let's get to work. All right, y'all, so I might have to try to do like a part 2 to this or something. Now I got it to where it's gonna come on. Watch, I turn the car on. See, they come on, but when I hit the brake, they go off, and they come back on when I release the brake. See, watch, press the brake in, they go off, release it, they come back on. Why? Like, why is it doing that? I really don't understand. I done tried multiple different ways to try to wire it up. Maybe I'm using the wrong wires or something. I know that orange wire that I showed y'all is constant power. It's not just, you feel me, it's constant power. It gets power even when the car's turned off, you know? So like I said, I done tried different ways, putting the wires on, different stuff, and I just cannot get it. I can't, and I don't want to cause no electrical problems or mess nothing up. So like I said, I might have to do a part 2. I might have to drop this one, get y'all opinion, see what y'all say, and y'all probably tell me how to do it, you know what I'm saying? And then we go from there, and I come back and finish it. But as of right now, I'm lost, you feel me? I'm stuck. I don't know what else to do, what else wires to test. I didn't even press the brake in and tested wires, and nothing would test, you know? So I really don't know. I done looked up stuff online. Nobody got nothing online. Oh, so I don't know. I really don't. So yeah, I'm gonna try and go after this for like another 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna probably just leave it at that and come at part 2 for y'all, and y'all let me know how to do it. So yeah, let me try to get back to work for a little bit longer. Then we'll see what we doing. All right, y'all. So I can't figure it out. Like I said, I'm gonna just drop this video and get y'all help, cause I didn't call my dad. My dad said he don't really know unless he can see it. You feel me? And he's not around right now. He's about a couple of hours away from me, like an hour and a half, 2 hours away from me. So I ain't got nobody that can help me. And like I said, I don't want to cause no electrical problems. And I know that clip I said I found the power wire, which that orange wire is a power wire, but it's a constant power wire. And then when I wired up this, as y'all know, it got multiple wires on here. So I wired up the white wire to the red wire, and they cut it on, but when I hit the brake, it'll still cut off. Then I put the white wire on a different wire under the dash, and then I put the red wire under the constant power wire, and I grounded down the black wire. Then it'll cut on when I turn the car on, but still when I hit the brake, it'll cut back off. If y'all get what I'm saying, you feel me? So yeah, I don't know what else to do. I don't want to short nothing out or mess up nothing or blow no fuses or nothing. So I'm just gonna stop here. At least I know the light works. It comes on, as y'all seen, it comes on, but it'll cut off once I hit the brake. So I don't know what to do. So that's why I'm gonna come to y'all and get y'all help. So I really need y'all help, because I want to get this done. And I just think they look so good in old school cars, you know, them older cars with the high window third brake light, bro. I just think they look so good, in my opinion, bro. They look so good. So yeah, I need y'all help. I need y'all help badly, because I want to finish this. I'm gonna leave everything taken apart how it is. So when I drop this video, when I get y'all opinions and stuff, I can come back exactly where everything is, because I just be remembering stuff. I remember where exactly I put everything, so I'm gonna remember how everything is, where I put everything, and how everything is, like I said. And we're gonna try to hopefully finish this, because I want to get this done and I want to put this in the car. So my battery is dead now too. It's been dead the whole time. I've just been having it on the jump pack. I put the jump pack on and turn it on just to see if everything will work, then take the jump pack back off. But the least I can do is give y'all a cold start. So towards the end of this, I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. I just finished cleaning everything up, so it's nothing else, just nothing miscellaneous just laying around, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, I need y'all help. I need y'all opinions. Y'all let me know what to do. If y'all got a box Chevy or really any old school car and y'all added a third brake light, tell me what to do. I don't care about having sequential mode or the turn signals on it. I just want it to work with my brakes, you know what I'm saying? So when I press my brake in, I want the light to come on. I don't care about it being sequential or having the turn signals on it, none of that stuff. I just want to put it on. But this is supposed to be in the instructions, but it don't really come in the instructions. And it said to power it on for single mode. Can y'all see right there, single mode? It's supposed to be just red and black. I did the red and black like 30 different times, 30 different ways. It didn't come on. Then I added the white wire in and it came on, you feel me? So like I said, I don't care about the multi-mode or the 7 color multi-mode. I don't care about none of that stuff. I just want the single mode for my brakes to come on. When I press the brake light come on. That's all I want. And it was never no third brake light just already back there, so I couldn't wire it straight there. It was never one there, or if it was, the previous owner already cut it out, you know what I'm saying? So ain't no wires back there or nothing for me to use. And I know the wires that's on the side of the wall in the trunk, I know those are for like turn signal and something else. I know it's for turn signal and something else, but it ain't for the brake. So I know the brake lights and wires are under the dash here. So like I said, I need y'all help, so y'all can let me know what I need to do and how I need to fix this, because like I said, I want to get this done and I want to do this right. So y'all let me know how to fix it, and I'm gonna come back and fix it in another video and finish it and run the wires and everything, hide everything, make sure everything's looking good, and then we're gonna mount it up to the rear wall. So like I said, I need y'all help. Y'all let me know what to do. But it's gonna be the end of this one, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. This is the channel where we're all learning together, and if y'all know how to do stuff, y'all teach me so I can learn how to do it myself, and I give y'all the content for it. You know what I'm saying? Of me learning. I don't care about people saying, you know what I'm saying, you don't need to be working on cars, you don't know what you're doing. That's the whole point of me doing this, is so I can learn, so I know. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Hopefully the next time we do this brake system, we get it right. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. It's gonna be the end of this one. Like, at least I can do is get y'all a cold start. So let me hook the jump pack up. Hook the jump pack up. All right, cold start for the day. Y'all can see my lights bright now. Come on, let me try one more time. This jump pack's so iffy. Hold on. Y'all almost fell. Alright, should be ready. Yeah, this jump pack iffy. Let me try and get it started. I'm gonna come back to y'all. I don't know. It's like every time I turn the camera off, the jump pack start working. It's like it's camera shy, I guess. I don't know. But as y'all can hear, got the box started. So I'm finna get ready. Well, I'm gonna let it warm for a little bit, but I'm gonna get ready to pull it back, put it back up. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one. I need y'all help. Y'all let me know what y'all think I need to do. Cause like I said, I want to get this done. But yeah, it's gonna be the end of this one. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. And yeah, let me know in the comments what I need to do, or you can message me separately if you don't want to put in the comments. Message me separately on Instagram at 01Deuce. Yeah, so y'all can do that as well. So like I said, I need y'all help. It's gonna be the end of this one. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Keep God first. God bless, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.